At the dawn of the 20th century, when the world believed physics was almost complete, one quiet, disciplined German physicist proved that reality itself was stranger, more mysterious, and more beautiful than anyone had imagined. His name was Max Planck, a man who did not seek revolution yet created one anyway. Max Karl Ernst Ludwig Planck was born on April 23, 1858, Kiel, Germany, into a family of scholars and lawyers, people who believed in law, in structure, in reason. He grew up loving music, order, and certainty. He learned the piano, the organ, and found peace in mathematics, a world where things made sense. His teachers told him physics is nearly complete. Nothing important remains to be discovered. Planck smiled. He simply wanted to understand the universe a little better. He did not yet know that he would soon open a door that could never be closed. In the late 1800s, physics faced a quiet but stubborn puzzle: black body radiation. Theoretical predictions didn't match reality. The equations broke down. No one knew why. Planck approached the problem like a craftsman, not a rebel. He tried every classical method, every established idea. None worked. Desperate, he took a step he would later call an act of desperation. He suggested that energy wasn't continuous. It came in tiny packets. Quanta. It was supposed to be a mathematical trick, a temporary shortcut. Instead, it lit the fuse for the quantum revolution. On December 14, 1900, a date many historians consider the birth of modern physics, Planck presented his radical idea to the German Physical Society. Energy is not smooth, not infinitely divisible. It comes in grains, like sand, like stars. A universe built of quanta. A silent, humble man had shattered the 200-year classical worldview. He derived a new constant, Planck's constant, one of the fundamental numbers of nature. He didn't know it yet, but he had opened the door to quantum mechanics, semiconductors, lasers, nuclear physics, the digital age, and the modern world, all because he followed the truth, wherever it led. Albert Einstein admired Planck not just for his discoveries, but for his integrity, his steadiness, his calm devotion to science. Planck was one of the earliest supporters of Einstein's 1905 relativity papers. Their friendship became one of the great intellectual partnerships of the 20th century. Planck once wrote, "A new scientific truth does not triumph by convincing its opponents, but because a new generation grows up that is familiar with it." He knew revolutions did not come from arguments. They came from time. While Planck's scientific life soared, his personal life was marked by heartbreaking tragedy. His twin daughters died during childbirth. His eldest son, Karl, was killed in World War I, and his beloved son, Erwin, was executed by the Nazi regime for participating in a plot against Hitler. Planck was devastated, and yet he continued to speak of truth, reason, and the dignity of science. Even in the darkest hours of his life, he believed in order. He believed in meaning. Max Planck never set out to change the world. He simply followed the equations. But the universe rewards honesty, and his honesty revealed an entirely new realm of reality. Today, his constant appears in every quantum equation. His work paved the way for Schrödinger, Heisenberg, Dirac, and all who followed. In 1918, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. In 1947, he passed away quietly, having lived through 2 world wars and the greatest scientific revolution in history. His life teaches us something simple, yet profound. You don't have to be loud or rebellious to change the world. You only need to be devoted to the truth, wherever it leads. Max Planck once wrote, "Science advances from funeral to funeral." A statement not of cynicism, but of humility, reminder that knowledge is never finished, and that each generation must push further into the unknown. Planck opened a door. We're still walking through it today. Subscribe if you'd like to travel deeper into the lives of those who shaped our world.